Welcome to Factful Finance, where we help you make smarter decisions for your financial future. Here's a thought for you. Did you know that by the time you retire, you could have over $1 million sitting in your self-directed IRA, SDIRA? Sounds pretty incredible, right? But getting there isn't as easy as just contributing and hoping for the best. In this video, we're diving deep into advanced SDIRA investment strategies that can maximize your retirement savings. So let's jump right in. Before we begin, a quick note. This is for educational purposes only. For personalized advice tailored to your situation, make sure to consult a professional. Now, SDIRAs are a powerful tool, but using them to their full potential requires knowledge of investment strategies that go beyond the basics. So, let's break it down. To start, the beauty of an SDIRA is the control it gives you over your retirement funds. Unlike traditional IRAs, which typically restrict you to stocks and bonds, a self-directed IRA allows for investments in a wide array of assets, such as real estate, private equity, and precious metals. But how do you take full advantage of that flexibility? Well, it starts with understanding some key advanced strategies. One such strategy is investing in real estate. Let's look at Emma's case. Emma, a mid-level executive, recently inherited an SDIRA. Instead of investing in stocks, she chose to invest in rental properties. By purchasing real estate through her SDIRA, she's able to keep rental income tax-deferred, letting her build wealth without the tax burden most real estate investors face. Emma's choice isn't an anomaly either. Many savvy investors see real estate as a way to diversify their portfolios and reduce volatility. Next, let's talk about private equity investments. This strategy is a bit more complex, but can yield impressive returns when done right. Noah, a tech entrepreneur, wanted to use his SDIRA to invest in startups. By utilizing private equity in his retirement account, he not only gets exposure to high-growth companies, but he can also enjoy the tax advantages that come with SDIRA investments. Keep in mind, private equity can carry higher risks, so it's essential to do your homework and understand the company's business model. Then, there's tax lien investing. This is another strategy that's increasingly popular among SDIRA investors. What's intriguing about tax liens is that when a property owner fails to pay their taxes, the government can sell the right to collect that debt. These liens are often purchased at auctions, and investors like Lucas use SDIRAs to buy them. By doing so, Lucas has the potential to earn interest on the lien or even acquire the property if the owner defaults. With proper research, tax liens can be a highly profitable addition to an SDIRA. Let's not forget precious metals. A diversified portfolio includes tangible assets, and precious metals like gold and silver can offer stability when markets are volatile. Consider Isabella, who invested in gold through her SDIRA. By allocating a portion of her funds to precious metals, she has a hedge against inflation and geopolitical instability. What's more, those gains are growing in her retirement account, tax-deferred. Lastly, alternative investments, like cryptocurrency or peer-to-peer lending, have gained popularity among SDIRA investors. Alexander, an avid investor, has explored using his SDIRA to buy Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies carry a unique set of risks, but when managed properly, they can provide significant returns. However, due to the volatility of crypto markets, it's essential to be cautious and ensure that these investments align with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Now, I know these strategies might sound complex, and that's exactly why it's important to understand the rules and limitations surrounding SDIRAs. For example, while you can invest in real estate, you cannot personally benefit from the properties until retirement age. No vacation homes for personal use. Additionally, you need a custodian to manage your SDIRA, so be sure to choose one with expertise in the types of investments you plan to make. Experts recommend using a diversified strategy when applying these advanced investment tactics. That means mixing real estate, private equity, and precious metals in your portfolio to balance risk and reward. As you explore different strategies, it's important to regularly assess your investments and adjust based on market conditions and your retirement timeline. As always, before implementing any of these strategies, consult with a financial professional. Whether it's a tax advisor, financial planner, or SDIRA custodian, their guidance is invaluable in helping you make informed decisions that align with your long-term goals. So what's the first step you'll take towards utilizing these advanced SDIRA strategies? Let me know in the comments. If you like what we do here at Factful Finance, why not subscribe to stay updated on more insightful videos? Don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss out on expert tips that can help you make the most of your financial journey. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the video on the screen next for more tips and strategies to help with your financial goals.